like that. We're very good to burn in the day. And we're going to do the amazing day. So as you can see, we're very close to finishing. It's going to be amazing. So as you can see, we're going to do it. There we are. Oh, yay! So, as you can see, if anyone sneezes, then now I'm out. Because I'm quite good. So as you can see, it's very beautiful up here. I don't know, but I think I got a tickle, you know? No, not me! No.